You're like, Mom, Dad, I don't know how to start the car, right? This tells you Bluetooth system. Maybe you can pair up your phone. L4G light, hotspot. A lot of these new cars have this. Climate control, you just push a button. Okay, park assist, right? So much information here. Okay, exterior lighting. So the 2024 Equinox, this is a cool vehicle, and they have, I might have to set this up. They got a little QR code that you can scan. I might have to set this up too. So this information goes straight to your phone. Okay. And then here is the owner's manual. 2024, my babies. And I'm going to show you that. A lot of you won't even look at this, and you're just going to get in your car. You don't even know how to start it. So the owner's manual is here for you. And you have to take the time to read a little bit and know about your vehicle.